plane. 239 people. Then gone. March 8th, 2014. Malaysia Airlines Flight MH370 vanished completely from radar screens. Authorities announced satellite data showed it flew south into the remote Indian Ocean. 6 hours. The plane continued transmitting location data for 6 more hours after vanishing. But why did it turn around? Why did the transponder stop broadcasting? Search teams found debris scattered across African coastlines starting in 2015. Confirmed. Pieces matched MH370's design. But what about the main wreckage? Drop a comment. Which theory makes more sense to you? Mechanical failure or human intervention? 120,000 square kilometers searched. No black boxes. No definitive answers. Officials called it likely a crash. But the exact cause? Still officially unknown. Why would a modern aircraft vanish with no emergency signal, no distress call, nothing? 239 families still waiting. Follow for more unanswered aviation mysteries next.